Hey guys, thanks for tuning into another video. I ordered a few parts on Black Friday. One of them anyways was back ordered, so took a while to get here, but got the email saying it's in, so we're on our way. Go pick up the parts. Hopefully we get there before it starts raining again, because it's been nasty out here the last few weeks. So we're gonna go and do that, make it home. I'll show you what we got and put them in. Alright guys, made it back. Pop the hood, let her cool down a little bit before we start messing around under there. And also today we got a new Chemical Guys detail shop opened up here. So I got this sticky citrus wheel cleaner. See how it works. Maybe it'll be a little easier to get in there. And for those of you who have black cars, you know the troubles, but for those of you that don't, you look here. That's what happens when you daily drive your Mustang in the winter. I washed it 3 days ago. You can see far away, she still looks alright, but out in the sun, it's nasty, so I'm probably going to be at this detail shop more often than I think. Alright, so here we go. You can see on the box, JLT. Something I probably should have got right away, but you know, stuff happens. I didn't bother. We got our catch can, or oil separator, whatever you want to call it. I went with the black. They also make it in the aluminum or silver. I thought black would fit better under the hood with everything else. So basically you get your catch can here. In the box you get a JLT sticker. Just some junk. If you want to subscribe to all their stuff, and your little instructions in case you can't figure it out, which we don't need to follow because it's not that hard of an install. So we'll throw that away and we'll get started under here. Alright, there you go. I don't put stickers on my car, even though they had horsepower, but got JLT anchor room. Theirs is clear, so on the black you can't see anything, but that's anchor room. AWE, that's our catback exhaust. So toolbox is up to almost 100 horsepower already, just with a few stickers. Alright, so super easy to get the other hose off, but I figured I'd show you on here. It's nice and clean and it's easy to see. The clamp, you got your little blue tab here. You can see when you push it down, it opens up. So basically you push that down, it'll pull right off. Other side's the same. And yeah, basically this takes place of that right there. So like I said, just reach in here. That's your little blue tab. Push it. It comes right off. Other one, it's pretty dark, but it is down here. Same thing. Find the little tab. Push it over. Just like that, she's off. You can see it's a little bit dirty, but that's the whole point of putting this thing on there. Catch anything that might be coming through. And for anybody who's interested, obviously how it works, I loosened it beforehand, so I can do this with one hand, but you just unscrew her. Top comes off, or bottom comes off, I guess. That's your little storage compartment for any oil that this thing will pick up. And then if you look in here, bring it into the light, you can see got your little filter in there. Basically it'll filter out anything that's getting blasted through the hose and drop it into the can here. And then next time I do an oil change, which I'm getting close to an oil change already, so probably not in the next one, but the following oil change, I'll open her up and see what we catch. All right, one little side note, when you tighten this up, in there is a little rubber gasket or washer. So make sure, you don't have to He-Man it tight, but make sure it's tight enough. You don't want it leaking or falling off when you're driving down the road. So basically, all you gotta do, opposite of when you took it off, you grab that, get it on, give it a push. You'll hear the click. That side's done. Grab this side, same thing. Get her on there, click, done. And that is as hard as she gets. You're done. If it doesn't sit, you can see it's pretty straight. If you're really OCD, you want it 100% accurate. Obviously, everything moves. Just give her a little twist. There you go. Install's done. Easiest mod you can do. And I think it was $130 or something. Stops all the oil from getting into the spots you don't want it. And from videos I've seen online, they do work. They pick up quite a bit. I know most people change oil between 5,000 to 6,000 kilometers. Some leave it longer. Some do it less or more often. So depending when. Just make sure you open it up, because obviously if it's filling up with oil, you're going to overflow, and that's going to be a big no-no. So there you have it. Fits nice under the hood with the rest of everything. Obviously, I took the cover off. I did the sound tube delete. So I lost, or I didn't lose it, but I got rid of the cover when I took it off and got rid of that. So if you got your cover on, you obviously got to pop it off. Or if you just get your hand under there, you can do it without popping it off. But just 2 little clips, not hard. Off it comes, click it back on, you're good to go. So thanks for watching another quick video here, guys, and like always, hit the subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, let me know what you want to see with the car, and I'll catch you in the next video.